Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. I forgot to mention that the previous day's upload actually had a part 2. Once I got done doing the floors in the kitchen downstairs, I actually went on ahead and I moved upstairs. I had it in the video, I said it in the video, but somehow I edited it out. I do apologize. There's a lot going on right now. But pretty much what you're going to be seeing today is the part 2, which is going to be me cleaning the master bathroom, a little bit of grocery shopping, a little bit of cooking, just a little bit of everything. So basically you guys are going to be hanging out with me most of the day. So let's go ahead and get started. But yeah, this looks really good. I love it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's go upstairs. Baby. Y'all, I hate the way this thing smells. It's the spearmint. It don't smell good to me at all, honey. But it does do a pretty good job of, wiping things down, but it smells like old gum. Like if you have like a minty gum, that's what it smells like. It smells like old chew gum and rubber. I don't like how it smells. As you can see, I still don't have a member here. I'm working on it. I called out to 2 different custom companies to see if I can get a 50-inch round. And then once they tell me they have it, which I don't think only way I'm going to end up with 2 members is if I can't get someone to actually make that mirror, and I need it beveled or something, because they can't do framing. At least I don't think they can. But I'm going to try to get it. Ooh, this thing's so shiny when it's clean. It's so shiny. Let me see. I'm so tired, y'all. The reason why, because someone asked, the reason why I changed these versus the kitchen, the ones that I was seeing online, and this is just me, I know that if you get the wrong gold and you get the wrong chrome for your kitchen, considering how of a heavy duty fixture it is, it can turn and you get little spots on there and the spots don't come off. So what I did is I actually went to a kitchen and bath supplier, and the faucet that I'm interested in is like $700. Do I want it? Yeah. Do I want to pay $700 now? No, because this was only $100. And then I had a gift card, so I only ended up paying like $100 and something for the 2, and then I paid $100 to get it installed. So for one faucet, I was able to get 2, So I would rather focus on trying to get the bang for the buck in terms of like how much rental I can get. But I will be changing the kitchen thing. I think I mentioned it before in the video. But, with new people comes same questions basically. But I will be changing it out. It's just I want what I want in that space. So that's what we're dealing with, okay? Some of you guys mentioned fragrances. If I say to you, go look on YouTube, it's because this is why I say that, okay? So this one here is the Peony and Blush Suede. With the perfume, I have the Velvet Oud, which, you guys, this thing is amazing. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely gorgeous. I really love it. I'm surprised that I even like this anyway, because I normally don't like the Oud. It's normally too musky for me, but I actually like that one because it's really soft and subtle. And then this one here is called Tuberose Angelica. And then this one here is the Red Roses in the Lotion, Peony and Blush Hand Wash, Mimosa and Cardamom. I have Wild Bluebell. I wanted to try the lavender, but like I said, I'm not buying anything else, so I didn't buy it, but I really wanted to try lavender. And then I have the Nectarine Blossom and Honey. Y'all, this one here is 100% less like summer. And then I have my body shimmer from Jo Malone, Soleil Neige. And then that's pretty much it. So I like really floral things. I do feel like fragrance is very personal. So sometimes when you guys ask me, I'm like, you have to try it because my stuff is real feminine. And then I have the matches. I'll leave this one link in the description box down below. I have another one over there, but I just wiped it down. That's one of the reasons why I said when it came to my master vacuum, I'm not trying to put a whole lot of things in here because I don't want to deal with having to wipe all this stuff down, y'all. Before I went to bed last night, I did wipe the vacuum down so it's not like too crazy, you know, but I didn't do a heavy wipe down, but I did wipe it down. But for right now, this is it. This is as far as it's gonna go. Let me throw this in the trash. Let me get this spray out of here. So now that I'm done with like cleaning off the countertops and putting things where they belong, what I'm doing now is vacuuming. You guys asked about this vacuum before, and I'm going to give you guys just a little bit of information. The vacuum is from LG. I will be leaving it linked in the description box down below. When you talk about the comparison between this and the Dyson, which I own both, I really do love the LG, and I love the LG for one particular reason: the extra battery. It just so happened that in this particular video, the vacuum ended up dying because I cleaned downstairs, and all I do is remove the battery pack from the vacuum and I replace it with a new battery. The one battery can normally do upstairs and downstairs, but that was just my personal experience. So moving forward, 100%, I love my LG, still love my LG. But now that I'm done vacuuming, all I did was just dust myself off a little bit, wash my hands, and I headed off to the grocery store. Pretty much this part of the video here, I am already home from the grocery store, and what I'm doing is cleaning out my fridge. I will say at least twice a week, I am wiping down my fridge so it's not super dirty. Even though the kids are home, I leave food at an access point where they can reach it. That way the fridge isn't too bad. So I'm gonna put up the groceries, but not only that, I'm gonna be sharing some of the items that I've picked up throughout my groceries. If you're interested in anything, I left it on there long enough where you can take a screenshot. That way, if you're interested in purchasing anything, you have that to take into the grocery store and ask. But I'll go ahead and let you guys finish watching me unbagging my groceries. This is from the Container Store collaboration. I'm still using it. I put the juices. Now, yes, I can buy the big juice, but honestly, it's easier for the kids to grab and even for me to just grab. So this is just what I do. But you don't have to follow me. You can buy the big jugs. It just takes way too much room in the fridge, and it's just easier. It's a little bit expensive too, but. Oh, I went to the grocery store myself. I did not do Instacart because I feel like I hadn't gone to the grocery store in a minute. I needed to see what I was buying. So I went to the grocery store and grabbed everything. Ooh, the fridge is looking nice and full. It's looking a little scary there for a second. All right, so this is the original cranberry loaf right here. And then I got this one here. This one contains wheat, walnuts, eggs, and pecans. I'm gonna try it. And I did have them sliced it this time at Publix, so I'm really excited for this, okay? My camera's gonna die, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything up, and then I'll show you how everything looks after the fact. Here is a quick look at what the fridge looks like once it is cleaned and also fully stocked with goodies. You guys, I love my fridge. If you remember, when I moved into the house, I opened the fridge and I was like, what's going on? And I changed it. But this is the reason why I changed it. I can store so much stuff and I know how I store the fridge and how I wanted things to look. So 150,000%. I am loving my fridge. If you guys are interested, it is a Whirlpool refrigerator. But moving right along, I'm gonna go into putting up the K-cups from the Cafe Bustelo. I did pick this up from Publix, and like I said, it was a referral from a subscriber, and I'm really loving it. I think you guys should definitely look into that because it's super good. This is the new one and it fits right in with the rest. Let me zoom out. You guys can see that. And I'm gonna go ahead and make a cup right now. You guys know that I had to make me a cup of coffee because why? Ooh. This is the 12-ounce cup here. Oh Lord, let me have my cup, girl. They come in. Yeah, you smell it cooking?
Yes.
Okay, I'm recording. Thank you. It's almost done though, okay? Okay. That froth, honey.
I tasted that before.
Yes, you did. You guys, look at that. Licks it. Let me get a sip first.
I know what it tastes like already.
Oh, that's good. Ooh, thank you. Whoever referred that, I know who referred to me. I can't think of her name right now. I cannot think of her name, but oh shoot. I cannot think of her name. But y'all, please try this. It's good. Not a little good, but a lot good. This is really good. I like this. Thank you. Thank you for the referral. Finally, y'all told me something.
Mommy, every morning can I get this?
No, you cannot. Kids don't be drinking coffee. My parents gave me coffee. Messed me all up. Thank you. Kids do not drink coffee.
Let's stunt your girl.
Does it stunt your girl? Does it really?
People always told me that, and I don't think it does.
You guys, hold on.
Best.
There goes the fish and there goes the tenders. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. And it was like what, 15 or 12? 12 minutes.
I'm a mess.
I am like super sold on this air fryer. Here's mine. Show you guys what this looks like. Oh, I love my white kitchen. Oh my gosh, you guys. This looks good. Okay, hold on. I have to show y'all this because she sliced it and look at that. I think this is the apricot, pecans, raisin. She said this was really good. And it's healthy too. Oh, I'm excited. Look at that. Ooh. I'm about to add some butter and toast it really quickly. All right, you guys, here's the bread. That looks good. Let me taste it. Give it a taste test. That's it. I don't. It's like your healthy grandma made that.
That's what she like it. That's what.
This ain't it, y'all. Do not buy this one. Y'all know I'm not gonna steer you the wrong way. This breakfast bread right here, it's a no-no. I don't really like it. All right, I'm gonna get my mask and I'm going to this farmer's in Richmond Hill where I get the butter, the monkey butter, and the frog something. I don't know where to get these names from. But y'all, this piece of fish is good. And the cooler it's getting, the better. Because it's getting real crispy. You guys, I'm back from the market and I purchased vanilla peaches. It is absolutely amazing. You can actually taste the vanilla. It's really good. And then I also grabbed some mango. Excited about that. I think that's all the new things in there. And then I'm making some spaghetti and the pot. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the floors. It's so pretty. Let me get this right here so you guys can see the pasta. Some ground beef. Right here, the green is the epis that I'm making. I'm making a whole pot so I don't have to cook for these children for at least about 2 days. So it's late, but not too late. I'm gonna go ahead and make something really quick, which is spaghetti. What I do is I let the ground beef kind of brown, then I dump out the oil, then I season it, then I add the pasta sauce. I do apologize, I did not show the end of the plate. The kids were so hungry, so you guys are not gonna see it. But you know I know how to cook, honey. It was good. Anyway, you guys, that is pretty much it for the video. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.